What is the sound of the letter R again? First. Okay, and then the letter L? Okay, can you please read again the word modern? I can see that you have an improvement when it comes to your reading skills, but you have to take note that there are some words that you mispronounce it. So for example, the word modest. So as a consequence, you will have to remind yourself the sounds, the R sound, and then the L sound. Okay? Now that you are done, or now that you are done reading the passage, activities and movies, let's unlock some words. Words that are unfamiliar to you. So what do you mean by modern? Yeah. Okay, it can be present or new. Take for an example, modern technologies, meaning new technologies. And then the word book. Do you know the word book?
Yeah.
Okay, we have the correct definition, but the best definition of book is addicted. Yeah, addicted. Yeah, so when you say book, it means addicted. Take for example, I am very in reading books, so I am very addicted in reading books. Can you give me an example using the word book?